Okay, so now we're going to look at how to create folders, change folders, and how to sort emails. So if you prefer only to use the webmail, then it means that you can have full access as to how it all looks and how you can store them and keep track of everything. So we'll just go back to the webmail, and on the left hand side on the menu we've got the folders menu. The folders that we have are down here. So if you get an email into the inbox, obviously that's the inbox. If you want to do a search for emails through the folders, all you do is type in what you want to search for, where you want to search for it, so whether it be in the subject, the body, or the sender's email address, and then which folder you want to search in. If you just want to search in a specific folder, so say inbox, what you do is press go, and then it will show you any emails with those search criteria in there. But that was just a very quick reference. What we'll do is we'll click on folders, and it will show you all the folders that you have, how many messages are in each folder, and how big the folder is. Let's say you want to create a folder, say if you were being contacted by a specific marketing company. Let's call it Stuart Design. So what we do is we set up a folder called Stuart Design, so you type the name in there, and if you want to create it in the root, so the root basically means you've got inbox, address book, and calendar, so that's the very first part of the tree. So imagine this is a tree, so inbox, and then within inside the inbox you have drafts, trash, and sent mail. You can put that into root, or you can actually put it into an existing folder. So I'm just going to create it inside the inbox, and I'm going to press create. So once that's created properly, what it will do is it will show up saying folder created successfully and return to folder management. So once you've done that, you can now see that you've got the folder created here. Anything that's created by you will have a little tick box next to it so that you can actually do things with it, things like deleting it or changing the name. So what we'll do is we'll just tick Stuart Design, and let's say we want to change the name of it. So select the folder to rename, make sure that the folder you want is selected, and let's say you want to change it to the person's name. You've got a few contacts within one company and you want to separate them out. What you do is type the person's name or what you want to rename it to and click rename. Straight away you get a thing saying it's successful. Return back to folder management, and as you can see the folder name has actually been changed. So that's creating folders. Now let's say for instance you want to say when an email comes in you want to move it to whichever folder you're looking for. You highlight the message and you can say move, and then all you do is select in this drop down box which folder you want to move it to. Move it to Stuart Harris, and straight away it's moved. So if you click on the folder name, and in there will be those emails from that person there. What you can do under preferences, and then you click on filters. So just say yes to turn it on, and just save that to make sure that it's turned on, and you'll see it says your settings have been saved. Click filters again and say to, and what you do is you type in the email address or the details it's going to search for. So for instance the from field will be stuart@stuart-design.co.uk. so you'll just type that email address in there and then say move message, and move message to Stuart Harris. Once you've done that, press create filter, and then that's complete. And down here you'll see a list of all the filters that you have. If you want to delete them, just click on the little button next to it and say delete filter. So if you, let's say we still have that filter set up, whenever you go into your inbox, any emails that will come in from that person's email address will automatically be moved into Stuart Harris's folder.